The Last Word. This was really named after one of those annoying, petty and insecure people who always have to have the final say, who are often found in the comments section on social media. The ingredient lineup: London dry gin, maraschino liqueur, green chartreuse and fresh lime juice. To our shaker add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of London dry gin. Add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of maraschino liqueur. Add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of green chartreuse, or green gold as I call it, although I did spot a bottle of this earlier and had to fight the urge not to buy it. Lastly, add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, The Last Word was said to originate around the 1910s at the Detroit Athletic Club. This cocktail fell into obscurity after World War II and had a surge in popularity around the early 2000s. Double strain this into a chilled Nicanora or coupe glass. Garnish with a cherry. I prefer to place mine on top of the glass. Some people like to put theirs inside the glass, but this looks like a severed eyeball and we don't do serial killer chic on this channel. The taste test. This is a well-balanced cocktail. It's herbal, tart and sweet. You get an aniseed hint, kind of lurking in the background. The ingredients do well and keep in their lane. It looks brilliant as well. I've seen it described as a palate cleanser, which I think is a great shout, but this is a really good cocktail.